Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to stop Facebook announcing birthday. So let's jump on it. So once you have opened your Facebook app, and then on the top right corner, you will see a menu. Just click on that. Now scroll down and then click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now let's click on Meta Account Center. Now scroll down. Under account settings, you will find personal details. Just click on that. Now on the second option, you will see birthday. Just click on that. On the bottom here, you will see who can see your birthday on Facebook. Just click on that. Now let's click on change visibility on Facebook. On the top here, you will see birthday and birth year. So on the right side here, you will see your visibility option. Just click on that. And then right now it's public, so now let's click on more option, and then here you will see only me. Just click on that, and then again on the second option, birth year. Just click on that, and then click on more settings, click on only me. Now scroll down and click save. And this is the way you can stop Facebook announcing birthday. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you out, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel.